Hello, writers. So today I'm going to show you a writing strategy that you can use when you're doing a free write style, or if you have the ability to just write about whatever you want and you can't think of an idea. So we're going to pick 3 random words. This strategy is called the random word strategy. We pick 3 words and create a story with those 3 words. For example, my 3 words I chose are unicorn, booger, and backpack. Silly, I know. So some things to keep in mind. I know that when I write, I need to have at least 4 to 5 sentences to have a complete paragraph. If you're wanting to write a story, I would make it at least a page. All of my sentences must be complete sentences with correct punctuation, capitalization, and the best spelling I can use. Lastly, my writing must be easy to read. Since it's a piece that I might have to go back and read, I might have to share it or add details to. Or I may just want to expand on my details or expand on my story and add details later when I revisit. So, for example, my 3 words, like I said, were unicorn, booger, and backpack. My story starts with, on a Saturday evening, there was a little girl who was going out with her mom. Her mom said, "Don't forget your backpack." I used my 1 word. Since I used my first word, I'm going to put a check over it to let me know I used my first word. Then it continues. The little girl was named Bella. Bella heard her mom and ran upstairs to grab her backpack. As Bella and her mom got ready to leave, she noticed a big wet booger on her bag. "Ew," she said. Bella's mom grabbed a wipe and cleaned the booger off. I went ahead and used the word booger, so I'm going to cross that off. Whenever I reuse the word, though, I don't have to underline it, as long as I use it at least once. And in my last paragraph, Bella and her mom got in the car. When they got into the car, Bella asked, "Mom, where are we going?" "To the unicorn races," and that is my last word. If I wanted to come back later and expand on the unicorn races or what she saw, I made my writing so that I can easily read it and I understand what's happening. Now that you have seen me use the strategy, I want you to expand on your skills and practice the random word strategy. Your Schoology assignment will give you 3 words to complete a story with, and make sure 4 to 5 sentences with correct punctuation, capitalization, and written in complete sentences. Good luck!